was interviewing Shakti, the spiritual guide, today, and we were having such a great conversation about the light and how it impacts our bodies and what you need to do and some amazing things. But at the end, I asked her to lead us in a meditation, to lead us into bringing light into our lives. And I want to share this all with you today. So sit back, get comfortable, and listen to the spiritual guide take you through this meditation.
I invite you to take a couple of deep breaths just to quiet the mind a little bit, and maybe close your eyes as you're doing it. And as you exhale, feel free in your home to exhale loudly, like to really make a sound. And let's do this one more time. Then allowing your body to find its own breathing rhythm naturally, quieting down as it finds a softer frequency. And with your eyes closed, let's take just a few moments to feel, hear, see with your inner eye. Just tune into what is with no expectation. Whatever is, is. You may find that you're hearing a tone, or there's a color in your eyes, in your mental eye, in your inner eye, in your mental screen. There's a feeling in your body. Maybe there is a heat or cold or nothing at all. Whatever it is, just notice without judging it. And from this space, I invite you with your intention to tune in, to call in the consciousness of the earth. We're into Earth Day, and the earth being our planet that gives us everything we need to live on, and see if you can tune into that frequency, that loving frequency of the earth, which maybe you can see it, and the color is greenish, that love color of the earth. Maybe you can feel it. Or maybe you can image it, imagine it. Just call that in, feeling held, feeling that wherever you're sitting or laying down really supports you, so that you can also bring that reframe of always being supported, always receiving the support you need. Because that is how the universe operates when we are open to receive. And take a deep breath in and anchor that into you. And now, since we were talking about the rays of the sun, imagine or see in your inner eye, or feel the warmth on your skin, or hear a hum or a tone inside of your inner ear, that there is a warm golden yellow ray of light coming through the infinite cosmos down onto you, pouring onto you almost like a waterfall of golden yellow light, touching you on the crown of your head, flowing all around you like loving honey or waves that float down through you, and at the same time going into your crown, into your body, moving downwards naturally through the inner tube that aligns with your spinal cord, clearing, cleansing, shining, expanding, and feel allow it to be and tune into how do you recognize or acknowledge this energy, this frequency coming through you? Is it simply a knowing? Is it a feeling? Is it a temperature change? Is it a pitch in your inner ear? Whatever it is. And maybe there's nothing, and that's okay too. Even if you're not trained to recognize what it looks or feels like, it's still happening for you, and it's still bringing you that love, life force that is the gift of the sunlight and of the earth. And now I invite you to physically place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on top of the left hand. And right there on that physical position where your heart is, maybe you can see or imagine or tune into having like a soft pink flower, like a lotus or maybe a rose or a peony, whatever works for you. And imagining it opening up softly under your hands. And as it does that, feel that. Feel the love that comes from all together now, tuning into the gratitude of being here today, the gratitude for Tami to be living her purpose and having this channel opened up in the Facebook page for us all to connect on a regular basis. Gratitude for our coming together, she and I. Gratitude for all of you listening in the now moment, wherever and whenever that may be to you, for you into this interview, into this connection, because we connect in the quantum field no matter where we are and when we are. Gratitude for this moment, this short moment that, even though it's short, is very powerful, to attune ourselves to the earth and the sun, to align with our heart, with the brotherhood and sisterhood that unites us in wanting to live our lives in the best version of who we are. Gratitude because coming together, we create together. If you weren't here, my words would have no meaning in an emptiness. They have meaning because you're listening and receiving, and I thank you for that. And maybe now you want to call in gratitude in your inner mind for whatever it is you're grateful today. And with that, I invite you to take one deep breath all together. And become aware once again of your room, of where you're sitting down or laying down, of the sounds around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to this moment.